Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about the hospitals in Jamaica. Now, the maintenance of these hospitals seem to be a problem. Recently it was in the news that the operating theater at one of the hospitals couldn't do the surgery because the AC unit was not working. And it turns out that the AC unit has been out of commission for quite some time. And then today we're going to go through an article where a company had to donate an AC system to the Spanish Town Hospital. So I'm a bit surprised at all of this because you hear about these billions being spent. It's what, 20 odd billion being spent at Cornwall Regional. Yeah, there's just so much money being spent in the healthcare sector that I found it a bit surprising that an operating theater had to be closed because of an AC, and a private company has to be donating an AC to a department at the Spanish Town Hospital. I'm very surprised. So guys, what do you think about the incident? I think it was a Bustamante hospital where they couldn't do the surgery because the AC was not working, and then it turns out that the AC has been out of commission for quite some time, and then a private entity has to be sent donating to the hospital. So we are going to go through the article that explains what happened at the Spanish Town Hospital, read the AC unit. Modern Power and Cooling Technology, a local IT company, has donated an air conditioning unit to the ultrasound department at Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, addressing a pressing need that has compromised patient care due to extreme heat. This gift will benefit both patients and staff, as highlighted by MPCT CEO Wayne Cunningham, who noted that the unit would create a more comfortable, functional environment for essential medical services. The department, which serves approximately 250 patients monthly, has faced limitations in capacity due to the temperature challenges. Vita McDermott, acting CEO of Spanish Town Hospital, emphasized the impact of MPCT's contribution. This enhancement will greatly aid our commitment to providing the highest quality care. It will also allow us to focus on what truly matters, the health and well-being of our patients. MPCT sales and marketing managers shared that they identified the need for an air conditioning unit during routine maintenance at the hospital, recognizing its importance for. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about what's happening in these hospitals. Because I mean, is it at them? I'm not sure. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.